Good morning, students. How are you? We shall learn about a most important topic related your subject. English topic, direct indirect speech. From this topic, in every competitive exam, minimum 2 sentences always you found. So, I will tell you how you will solve the sentences in your competitive exam. The question is arise here, what is direct speech? The definition of direct speech. When we give the exact word that the person has used, it is called direct speech. Suppose one person, Ram says to me, comma, inverted comma begin, Ravi is a good boy, inverted comma close, full stop. So, you are seeing inverted comma, what we put there, that is the direct speech. Means, when a person said, always put into the inverted comma. The second question arises here, what is indirect speech? When we convey the thought of the speaker without the actual words, with full meaning, it is called indirect speech. But we never use commas. You can solve very easily. Look here. Suppose I am writing here some rules and regulation here. Son by 1, 2, 3. This is the most important rule in your topic, direct, indirect speech. Son for subject. O for object, and N for no change. One means first person, second means second person, third means third person. First person always change with subject, second person always change with object, and third person always change means no change. If you know the verbs also and if you know the tenses also, then you can solve very easily. Look here. First, I am writing here in shortcut. This is a shortcut trick. Suppose do, does plus first form change into second form. Do not, does not plus first form change into did not plus first form. Is, am, are change into was, were. What I am writing here, only helping verbs. I can also write present indefinite tense change into past indefinite tense. But there is also must you should use the helping verb. So I am writing directly. I will tell you about the two sentence, the simple sentence. Look here. I am writing here Ram said to Sita, you are a good girl. You are a good girl. Ram is our subject. Said to is your reporting verb. Sita is our object. What you are seeing, comma, inverted comma, this is our reported speech. Reported speech. When you found in reporting verb in the past tense, then your reported speech also must be in past. Means your reporting verb is here said to. There is 3 rules. 1, said to change into told, said change into said, and told no change, told. The answer of this sentence, Ram, this is your subject. This is your subject. You should take the same what is in the beginning of your sentence. You should take the same. Ram, then there is no any sign of question mark. This is a simple sentence. You should keep in your mind always about the sentence. This is necessary. Said to change into, look here, said to change into told, then told, told. Ram told. You take the same, then said to change into told, and this is your object. Object also takes same. Okay. My dear students, then we reach comma on inverted comma. For removing this comma and inverted comma, we will take the help of conjunction. This is that. We have 2 sentences. One this and second this. With the help of connectors, with the help of linkers, with the help of conjunctions, that is the linkers conjunction, the same word, we will make a single sentence. Ram told Sita that. Then we entered in reported speech. We are seeing here you. I told you the one rule in the beginning. Son by 1, 2, 3. Second person, change with object. This is the second person. Second person is you, your, you. You is the second person. Change with object. Object is Sita. Sita is a girl. And first, we must write the pronouns of Sita. Sita is a girl. We should write here the pronouns of a girl. She, her, her. Then we will write what we want to change. This is you. Then write here you, your, you. In front of you, you have 2 U's. 99 cases, always the last U must be cut by you. I will tell you why I do this. First, what are you saying? You. What is above you? C. This is your answer. C. Then this is your helping verb. R. Is, am, are. Change into was verb. Was is singular helping verb and were is plural helping verb. In reported speech, your pronoun is in singular, then you will use singular verb. If your reported speech pronoun is plural, then you will take the plural helping verb. Then she was a good girl. Good girl. Then full stop. Always writing the answer in indirect speech. As I told you in the beginning, we should never use the comma, inverted comma after writing the answer. This is a simple sentence. Ram told Sita, for removing inverted comma we take that, you change into with Sita, she was a good girl. Look another example. I said to her. It is my doll. It is my doll. The simple answer is I said to change into told her that it. It is a third person. Third person is he, his, him, she, her, it, its, any name, they, their, them. These are the name of third person. And third person never change into first person or second person. Always it will do the same work. It. Then we are on the helping verb. Helping verb is MR. Change into was verb. Same procedure. Was my. My is the first person. And first person, according to the rule, change with subject. And subject is I. So you must write first subject I, my, me. Then write your I, my, me. What you are seeing? The same thing, my. My I wrote here. So what you are looking? My. So your answer is same, my doll. This is the simple method for solving the simple sentences. But before solve the sentence, you must keep all rules and regulations in your mind. Without the rules and regulations, you cannot solve a single sentence, my dear students. So, I tell you about the next sentence. This sentence is most important, the question mark sentence. You can say interrogative also. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative sentences, always the question asked by the subject. Look here. The question is here, I am writing here. Radha said to Shri Krishna, will you marry me? Will you marry me? The question first, Radha said to Shri Krishna, will you marry me? In simple sentence, there was no any sign of question mark. This is the second method. The question mark tell you about the sentence, and when you found the sentence is question mark, then you will write said to change into asked. Change into asked. Said also and asked, no change, the same. Radha, your subject, said to. There is the question mark, and question mark said to change into asked. Then we will write here asked. Then we will write our object Shri Krishna. Shri Krishna. As we arrive on comma, inverted comma, as I told you, we have two sentences. But when we write the answer, we will change into one sentence. So it is necessary we should take the help of conjunction. And the conjunction is if. You can use whether also, but if is in shortcut. Radha asked Sri Krishna if. Your subject same, set to change into asked. Sri Krishna, your object same, no change, only one thing you change. Then for removing comma inverted comma, if. I am arriving in the reported speech. Before taking the helping verb, we must take the pronoun of reported speech, and this is your pronoun of reported speech and second person. Second person, as I am writing here, second person, you, second person, change with object, and object is Shri Krishna, means this name is male. So we should open the pronouns of Shri Krishna and change he. You can open the pronouns like this: he, his, him. Then you should write you, your, you. Cut the last you and check what is above on you, he. So your answer is he. Then you should take your helping verb, will. Shall will change into would. Would. And after modal, this is modal, after modal, you should use the first form and marry. Marry is your first form. After modals, always use the first form. Me. Me is the first person. First person always change with subject. And Radha is our subject. We should open the Radha. She, her, her. And me is first person. I am writing here. I, my, me. Her. What we are seeing above on me, her. So your answer is her. Then question mark. You will never use question mark. You will never use question mark after writing the answer. So dear students, if you want to crack competitive exam, it is necessary you must focus on your subject, on your topic, but with hard labor. Because I do not know the name of that person who said hard work is the key to success. Success always comes when you wake during night, during day. So dear students, आज आपने दो सेंटेंस के बारे में जाना, एक सिंपल सेंटेंस और दूसरा क्वेश्चन मार्क सेंटेंस। ये दोनों कंसेप्ट मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपके क्लियर हो गए होंगे। नेक्स्ट जो सेंटेंसेस हैं वो इम्पेरेटिव से रिलेटेड हैं, लेटर्स से स्टार्ट हैं या टिपिकल सेंटेंसेस है, वो मैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो क्लिप में लेकर आऊँगा। तब तक आप इनके एग्जाम्पल्स को सॉल्व कीजिएगा घर पर बैठकर। टिल देन, गुड डे।
हरियाणा से जुड़ी खबरों की तह तक जाने के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें खबर तहलका, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें।